Io credo nell'America.
In the centre of the Mediterranean, surrounded by Europe and Africa, an incredible island emerges from the sea. Sicily. Its colours, smells and landscapes will take your breath away. Nature has put together 1,000 different contrasting pictures. The views embrace it all, mountains and sea, snow and beaches. Even everything you taste here is different, strong and decisive, just like the local people. Lemon groves grow side by side with prickly pears, and the fairy giant, the formidable volcano Etna, dominates everything from its great height of 3,300 metres and imposes on the Sicilian people its unpredictable puffs of smoke and at times violent eruptions. Art history tells of an ancient civilization and the continual attempts by various foreign populations to conquer it, yearning to have this place so similar to paradise all to themselves. Triangular in shape, caressed by sunshine all year round, and with its 1,000 kilometres of coastline from Messina to Syracuse to Trapani, Sicily is a real continent in its own right. This is a place where you can discover both beaches and mountains, new tastes and smells, 1,000-year-old art monuments, traditions and crafts that have remained the same through the centuries. Sicily is the guardian of 1,000 different Sicilies, not always easily accessible to visitors unless accompanied by local people. Sea views and isolated beaches, cool mountain lakes, impregnable castles, hills which open like balconies onto the blue sea, modern cities where you can shop or go to street markets where you can soak up the Sicilian atmosphere. Whatever you decide to do at whatever time of year, don't miss the most spectacular place in Europe, the impressive sights of Sicily, whether on the east coast of Palermo and Trapani, with the remains of the Arab and Norman dominations, or the Greek and Roman remains in Taormina or Syracuse. Unfortunately, the huge quantity of places to visit, the long distances and the short holiday periods sometimes make it difficult to plan a trip around the island. It was precisely for this reason that New Travel Services was set up, a new agency specialising in car hire with guides for trips, excursions, transfers and travel all over Sicily. New Travel Services operates only with high-quality cars like Mercedes-Benz, with drivers and guides fluent in English, French, German and Spanish. New Travel Services is the best solution for those who prefer to travel by car and want comfort and safety. We operate all over Sicily 24 hours a day, every day, all year round, in order to satisfy all our guests' travel requirements. All our cars with drivers are provided with authorised licences and insurance, air conditioning, leather upholstery and telephone. Our experience allows us to offer various solutions for every request. Our services are punctual and professional, the ideal choice for every holiday or business trip, for transfers from airports, ports and railway stations to any destination, discovering and enjoying the scenery and the most beautiful places in Sicily, all from the comfort of our luxurious cars, with the attentive service of our interpreter and guide, who pay particular attention to the satisfaction of our guests. This attention to detail has led us to being awarded a Certificate of Excellence in 2013 from TripAdvisor, the world-famous website for international travel reviews. New Travel Services is run by Christian Guardione, a young Sicilian who, after various linguistic courses and work experience in Europe and also in the United States, decided to follow the advice of his father, a licensed international guide, and set up his own company, dedicated to giving personalised help to tourists, becoming within just a few years the company leader of the driving guide sector in Sicily.
Our aim is to give our clients the best value for money, always keeping our price as low as possible without sacrificing on quality. Our team of experts will take care of you, starting with your transfer from the airport to your hotel, and are always at the hand to provide any information you may require. All our tours and stays have been experienced by us. Our drivers are our ambassadors. They will take care of you from arrival to departure to make your vacation very comfortable.
Whether you prefer to travel with your family, as a couple, or on your own, or with a group of friends, with New Travel Service you will find a tailor-made vacation for you based on the time you have available. We offer a variety of longer or shorter tours, in both cases with the right balance between sightseeing and the pleasure of being driven to a more in-depth visit to something you really enjoy. With New Travel Services, you can choose to visit all the main parts of Sicily in just a few days, or discover the most fascinating places in just one day. From Taormina and its striking Greek theatre to the famous Alcantara Gorge, a magical cascade of water over rocks, to Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe, with its little inns where you can taste the fiery local wine, or to visit the towns and fishing villages made from lava stone, or discover the settings used for the Oscar-winning films that made this island famous all over the world, such as The Godfather by Francis Ford Coppola, that tells the story of a mafia family in Sicily, or Cinema Paradiso by Giuseppe Tornatore, filmed in Palazzo Adriano near Palermo. New Travel Services will provide, on request, a professional authorised local guide for any cultural visits to archaeological sites, museums and churches. Discover Sicily with us in the comfort of one of our luxurious cars. Catania, a busy and commercial city, the cultural itinerary of Siracusa, the Baroque architect of the Val di Noto, or the curious mosaic bikinis in the Roman villa near Enna. The historic capital of Palermo, Monreale, and the Caribbean-like beaches at Mondello, or the fascinating medieval town of Erice, and the salt pans of Trapani, the temples of Segesta and Agrigento, or the natural parks where eagles and deer live freely. New Travel Services can also help to discover your origins, to visit your grandparents' town, to find an old friend, to organise your wedding or honeymoon in Sicily, with a luxury vehicle for your special day, exclusive locations and the right type of transport to take your guests from the hotel to the church. Choose the best for your trip to Sicily. With the services offered by New Travel Services, you can make the most of your time here, do more things and discover more places without the stress of public transport or having to drive yourself around. We will take care of everything, leaving you to enjoy Sicily. New Travel Services. Welcome to Sicily.